And we stand like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Them basic bitches.
Hey, welcome to my channel. This is the misadventures of the fashion designer named Kendi. Today I'm going to talk about the fact that we're entering into a new year and I'm entering into a new different type of person, which is me. And change is good, and how I'm going to change myself. Not for the New Year's, but because I'm going into my version of a new year, which is coming up soon. And I've been talking about a certain topic for a year now, and it's because I'm a designer. I wrote papers on it, I've done home thesis on it, I did several projects on it, and it's fast fashion, and it's about the pollution and the harmfulness of it in the environment, and how we try to combat it by giving away our giving away our clothes, and that's not really helping. It's actually harming other things. We're just not really solving our problems. So I decided to change my wardrobe, get rid of a lot of clothes I don't need. Also, because I want to fill my closet. I want my closet to be like 90% of the clothes I made, so 90% of my brand, and like 10% of some other nice stuff that I like, that are cute and that are not made by me. Another reason why I'm going minimalistic is because, well, my body has changed. It's changed a lot. At the beginning of the summer, I realized none of my clothes fit. So none of my clothes fit at all. And I mean, like, people have been cracking jokes about it. My mom has been cracking jokes, my uncles, my aunts. Luckily, my dad hasn't. But, thank God. But everybody, my brothers, everybody's been cracking jokes about, and my cousins, they all been cracking jokes about me and the fact that I can't fit any of my clothes. And when I say any of my clothes, I mean like my jeans, I can't fit them no more. My dresses, can't fit them no more. I can't fit underwear. Yes, it's that bad. Like, it's to the point where my underwear, which is something that is purely elastic, it's too tight on me. It doesn't fit me well. It doesn't fit anymore. It's just none of my clothes, down to my knickers, don't fit, and it's just wow. And like, literally, when I was doing my studies for just taking a semester off and doing a lot of other work, I've been wearing a lot of like tracksuits and big overall big t-shirts, and it's alright, I guess. I mean, like, nobody's complained about it, nobody's noticed me, but it's a normal thing. I'm like not gonna expect anybody to notice me wearing sweatpants and ish and no makeup and wearing certain hairstyles. So I don't have that much expectations about that. But I do want to, my mom has been talking to me about it. She's like, do you want to go get new clothes? And I'm just like, no, I don't want to get new clothes, because I don't want to contribute to the fast fashion, and I want to wear my own clothes. I want to elevate as a designer. And when I wear other people's clothes, I don't feel like a designer. And when I wear, the clothes I'm wearing now, I feel like a workout person. So I just don't have the desire or the urge to go shopping that much. I have the urge and desire to get rid of the clothes I already have. So we're gonna go into this journey of like transforming, and it's gonna probably transform my entire room, because I have a lot of clothes to the point where I don't have enough closet space, which is true. I don't have enough closet space. I got rid of my drawers because I have a small room, and I don't have like a lot of hangers, and I have a lot of clothes that require hangering, that I've worn since I was in middle school. So I'm 21 now, and I've been wearing clothes that I've had since middle school. So that's a long ass time. And sure, yes, it is a high time for me to get some new clothes, but I don't want. It's just that. It's just. I don't know. The reason why I haven't really gotten that much new clothes, like with like just my regular average everyday wear, is because I never really needed to. Because I was like, well, my clothes fit. They're not washed out. They're fine. And if there are washed out, I still keep them because I'm like, well, this is a more clothes I can wear around the house or going to work out or doing whatever I want to do, go get groceries or stuff like that. So that is like what I would do. But other than that, I just don't get rid of clothes. And now I'm dealing with a huge problem. I'm having way too much clothes, and I don't want to give them away because I know that they don't really go to people who actually need them, and it's really more to the underground. So I'm going to do some research and learn how to properly get rid of my clothes and go for more minimalistic and build my wardrobe from there. So hopefully, wish me luck. So I'm going to show you what my closet looks like. I'm super embarrassed by it. Brace yourself. If you are a person who has OCD, just cut off right now, okay? It's like just cut off from now and watch something else. Because it's gonna be a bit much for you, and you're just gonna cry. And yeah, I can't really fix that. So just let's look at it. So this is my room, and this is my closet. As you can see, it's a hot ass mess. I can't necessarily get into my closet. I can barely open my closet because I have so much stuff and so much junk and so many clothes that I can't fit. And if I can't find hangers for them because I don't have enough hangers, I put them in a bin. And if you're wondering if I am currently sleeping in my room right now, no, because I have no bed. My bed frame broke, so I thought I could substitute it by putting a lot of my dirty clothes that are on the floor underneath the bed to like support me up so I can sleep, but it doesn't work because I still concave into my bed, so I don't have a bed anymore. As you can see, I put it under there, but it didn't work, and I have to change so much. So this is the bed before construction. Like what you saw, which none of you would like what you just saw. That was horrific for me to watch. But anyway, like, share, and subscribe. Actually, don't share that. That's embarrassing. If you want to come along with the journey with me of going from a person of a lot of abundance to a minimalistic person, and transforming my room, because it's not just my closets that are out of control. My entire room is out of control. My bed's broken. Like everything, I don't have space for my sewing tools. It's just a hot ass mess. So I'm transforming from a messy person to a cleaner person and more of a minimalistic type of person. Like, share, and subscribe and be along with the journey. And I will give like tips to how to attack such a project like this. Now, my first advice to you, because my room has been worse, believe it or not, it has been worse. So I've managed to transform it into something beautiful. Currently, right now, I'm going through a lot of shit right now, so I let my room get destroyed by me and life and clothes, and for some reason, the fact that things are getting too old. Like, besides my clothes, my furniture's old, so I have to get rid of a lot of my furniture as well. I have to change so much, but it's what it is. Change is good, change is new, and if you want to be on the journey to watching the legit transformation of the room and of all the clothing, like, share, and subscribe. Without the share part, I don't know if I want to share this. This is too embarrassing for me. But like and subscribe, and we will get the next video you'll see is me getting rid of a lot of the clothes. So come back soon, I guess.